If you can't like videos on TikTok, then here is how to fix this. First of all, restart the TikTok app. Fully close the app, then reopen the TikTok app and try liking again. If this works, then that will be done, but if this does not work, then check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner and then make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Also, you may be temporarily blocked. If you like too many videos in a short period of time, TikTok may have blocked you temporarily as an anti-spam system. Wait a few hours or up to 24 hours, then try again. After that, if that also does not work, then all you have to do is simply go back to your home screen and tap on the App Store for the iPhone and Google Play Store for the Android. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is simply search for the TikTok app in it. Tap on the search address bar, search for the TikTok, then tap on the official TikTok app available in there. And if you see the update icon available, then make sure you update it to the latest version. Now, if you also have updated it and all the process has already been done but it still does not work, then the last attempt is to reinstall the TikTok app. Uninstall the app completely, then reinstall it from App Store or the Google Play Store, and all you have to do is log in and try liking videos again. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.